Namaste, I am Jamin Dr. Priyanka. Today I will discuss about study of different type of greenhouse based on SAP. Greenhouse type based on SAP. For the purpose of classification, the units of cross sections of the greenhouse can be considered as a factor. The commonly followed type of greenhouse based on SAP: lean to type greenhouse, even span type greenhouse, uneven span type greenhouse, ridge and furrow type, sawtooth type, crescent type, interlock ridge and furrow type, and ground to ground greenhouse. First, lean to type greenhouse. In this greenhouse, a lean to design is used when a greenhouse is placed against the side of the existing building. It is built against a building using the existing structure for one or more of its side. It is usually attached to a house but may be attached to other building. The roof of the building is extending with the appropriate greenhouse covering material and the area of properly enclosed. It is typically facing south side. The lean-to type greenhouse is limited to single and double row plant benches with a total width of 7 to 12 feet, and it can be as long as building it is attached to. It should face the first best direction for adequate sun exposure. The advantage of lean-to type greenhouse are: it is usually close to available electricity, water and heat. It is least expensive structure. This design makes the best use of sunlight and minimize the requirement of roof support. And second one, disadvantage of link to type greenhouse are limited space, limited light, and limited ventilation and temperature control. The height of supporting wall limit and potential size of design, and temperature control is more difficult because wall that greenhouse is built. And this picture show link to type greenhouse attached with building. And second one, even span type greenhouse. The even span is the extended type and full size structure. The two roof slopes are of equal pitch and width. This design is used for greenhouse of small size, and it is constructed at level ground. It is attached to a house at one level, and it can accommodate two or three rows of plant benches. The cost of even spa greenhouse is more than the cost of land to tie, but it has great flexibility in design and provide for most more plant because of its size and greater amount of exposed glass area. The even span will cost more to heat. The design has a better size than a lean-to type for air circulation to maintain uniform temperature during the winter heating season. A separate heating system is necessary unless the structure is very close to a heated building. It will house two side benches to walk and with the center bench, several single and multiple span type is available for use in various regions of India. For single span type, the span journal varies from 5 to 9 meter. Whereas the length is around 24 meter, the height varies from 2.5 to 4.3 meter. And this picture show even span type greenhouse and and an uneven span type greenhouse. This type of greenhouse is constructed on hilly area. The roof are of unequal width makes the structure adaptable to the side slope of hill. This type of greenhouse is seldom used nowadays as it is not adaptable for automation. This picture shows uneven span type greenhouse and ridge and furrow type greenhouse. Designs of this type use two or more a firm greenhouse connected to one another along the length of the eave. The eave serves of furrow or gutter to carry rain and melted snow away. The side wall is eliminated between the greenhouse, which result in a structure with a single large interior. A consolidation of interior space, reduce labor, lower the cost of automation, improve personal management, and reduce fuel consumption as there is less exposed wall area through with heat escape. The snow load must be taken into the frame specification of this greenhouse since the snow cannot side off the roof and in case of individual freestanding greenhouse but melt away. So this picture show ridge and furrow type greenhouse and sawtooth type greenhouse. This is also similar to ridge and furrow type greenhouse except that there is provision for natural ventilation in this type. A specific natural ventilation flow path develop a sawtooth type greenhouse. This picture show sawtooth type greenhouse and quinset greenhouse. This is a greenhouse where the pipe arch and trusses are supported by pipe purling running along the length of the greenhouse. In general, the covering material used for this type of greenhouse in polyhouse forced greenhouse are typically less expensive than the gutter connected greenhouse and are useful when a small isolated cultural area is required. These houses are connected either in free standing style and arranged in interlock ridge and furrow. In the interlock type, Truce member overlap sufficiently to allow a bed or plant to grow between the overlap portion of adjacent house. A single large cultural space thus exists for the set of house in this type. An arrangement is a better adaptable in the automation and movement of labor. And this picture is a question type of greenhouse. Thank you.